Criteria for congruence triangle. Triangle ti pha lehin e het diu khat chu side thum nei 1 2 3 side khat side ni side thum nei angle 1 angle 2 angle 3 nei hoi triangle ti nan ai in hi triangle ki ti chu side thum nei angle thum nei ki ti chu ma sa pena e het dewa chu triangle ki se na he. Suppose now you are given two triangles AB, BC, CA, PQ, QR, RP. Three sides. AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR and CA equal to RP and angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Now when you are given two types of triangles, if all sides of A, B, C and PQ are equal, AB and PQ, BC and QR, AC and PR, and all the angles are equal, this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. All the sides of ABC and PQR are equal and all the angles are equal. You can say ABC is congruent to PQR. This is the symbol of congruence. Tuni criteria for congruence triangle in Kihilin. Hichahi a question in when are two triangles said to be congruent at the triangle tenichu congruence ititheni nga chu ipp ngayam te he question and bola lehen amas pena ne diu chu triangle ni chu A B B C C A le P Q Q R R P upon kya hai hum ki ba pha le sa yu si A B le P Q ki bangding B C le Q R ki bangding C A le R P alol angle A angle B angle C angle Q angle R angle P so si A le P hum ki ba ngai angle B le Q hum ki ba ngai C le R hum ki ba pha le sa yu si to angle yu si hum ki ba pha le hen only when all the sides and the angles of this ABC and PQ are equal, that means you can say that these two triangles are congruent. Rule number 1 is side angle side congruence in a way of the two na. Side angle side is side ni angle khat. Ate congruence. Two triangles are congruent if any two sides and the included angles of one is equal to the any two sides and the included angle of the other. If we say two triangles are congruent, this triangle ni is na. Let's name A, B, C, and P, Q, R. You can write any Q, P, R also any number, any alphabet. Okay. Two triangles are congruent if any two sides. Let us assume that this is isosceles triangle and AB is equal to PQ. If any two sides and the included angles, two sides mean AB is equal to PQ and AC is equal to PR. And included angle of one is equal to any two sides and the included angles of the other. Chi say na hi. Chai asaya bana cha say na hi. Na am han say angles of the included angles of the other. Via A if say na ham tia la hin. A B to hin P Q hong ki ba A A C le P R I think nga chu A B will be equal to P Q and AC will be equal to PR and angle A will be equal to angle P. Side, 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 and side, side. And this is the included angle. Only when these two sides and amatin tika included angle umpaso ay kiba phalachun side angle side congruence adari naman the. Only when these two sides are equal and these two angles are equal, you can say that side angle side congruency. Let us proceed to the second one, angle side angle congruence. Tuahi angle side angle congruency body hin ipisin ham tale angle side angle ati. When two angles and the included sides are equal, we can see that angle side angle. Ipisin ham tale, which is how to use uhi. Two triangles are congruent if any two angles, these two angles. Okay, let's write two triangles D, E, F, N, P, Q, R. We take D, E, F, N, P, Q, R. Two triangles. Two triangles are congruent. We can see that these two triangles are congruent under this rule if only if any two sides, any two angles. Okay, let's take angle D and angle P, angle E and angle Q. There is 1, 2, 1, 2. A question say any two angles to included side paso ay kibaalahin. Angle sa angle say na he teacher. Congruency e teacher. Al to ay amahin two triangle at teacher na. If any two triangle ale angle at ale angle ni ka paso angle D and angle E, angle P and angle Q. Para paso. And the included side teacher pisin ham ale hichi ama angle go na side paso say na he. Aki ba ala teacher chi 5 ilang long 5 heading. La angle D hit 6 ala la angle P yung 6 heading. La 100 ni ala la yung 100 heading. Hichi phat la bo chun angle side angle congruency he say na. F R2 triangle D F R2 angle D kala. Na ala la nga hi ang side khalang pa hi hele angle P kala amati ni kibang ni tin hejo. 50 la 50 heading side khat ta chu ma te ni angle khat ta chu na. Ayo chu angle ni ti a chu angle khat la be ti angle E ai lo le na la the lang la di le oh angle E equal to angle Q side ni ta chu na angle ni ta chu na ama ti ni ahung ki ba a ama ti ni ki zo man line ti ni chu ahung ki ba pha le angle side angle tu chun da chi D chu na la E chu na ma ne D E chu zo ma chu D E line pa hi ya chu D E da te D E equal to P ha chi ya Q la chi ya la ma ti nan chu P Q da te angle ni to ama ti ni hin included side pa chu aki ba pha le angle side angle congruency se na hi S means side congruence. Two triangles are said to be congruent in side congruency if the three sides of one triangle, let's take one triangle A B C side of one triangles are congruent to the three side of the other triangle. Three other triangle, one side of one triangle, he mentioned one triangle and other triangle, that means two triangles PQR like it. Two triangles are congruent if the three sides of one triangle, this is 1, 2, 3, if the three sides of one triangles are congruent to the three sides of the other triangle. Asi chu piham ta la chun hichi triangle khat au ma asa yo si pa da chun hilanga triangle khat ma asa yo si congruence hung hi a hung ki ba pha le bo equal to hung hi pha le bo chu congruency chu by this rule ke se side congruency. Asi dan chu piham ta le A B triangle khat na side A B to hin hilanga P Q ki bang ding ti chu alai B C to hin QR ki bang ding ale CA to hin RP. Only when all these sides and these two sides and AC and PQ are equal, we can only say that these two triangles are congruent under the rule side congruency. To say na here. Let us talk about RHS congruency. RHS congruency. Two triangles are said to be in RHS congruency only when there is a right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay, let us draw one and triangle. This must be 90 degree. And here let us draw another one, and this should be 90 degree. And when only these two sides are square, and this is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent, this is the base. Let us name A, B, C, D, E, F. When angle B and angle E is 90 degree, 90 right to 90 degrees here, and this AC is the hypotenuse is equal to DF, this hypotenuse, and the adjacent side DE equal to AB. Only when all these sides and angle is 90 degree are equal, you can say this is, by this rule, you can say that right RHS congruency. Okay, by looking these two diagram, this is the last AAS congruence criterion, A, B, C, and D, E, F. By looking this diagram, can we say that these two triangles are congruent under the rule AAS? We cannot say that these two triangles are congruent by the rule AAS. So AAS congruence pisinhan angle side sin hecho. Two angles attention. If any two angles, okay, let's take these two angles, angle A and angle D equal, angle B and angle E is equal. Aso nga ASA ito bang he. Aso nga ASA say bachu chi included side pa angle ni ki bang ding included side pa to ay ki ba ala chun ASA ti ya. To hi AAS if any two angles in the non-included ito. Lachi include to nale, ale non include to, for example, lachi BC to EF filata. Martin ye kiba part level chun, we can say that AAS congruency. Now what to angle A must be equal to angle D if any two angles in the non-included sides. Lachi included sides ya, chi non-included side. The non-included sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding another triangles. That means A is equal to D and angle B is equal to angle E, and the non-included angle to included angle non-included pala azaw lo tin hecho. Ayo ama sa chu ASA say ba chu included angle tia AB le D is include cho angle say me ba he amatin ni azok mak na pang cho. Ale non-included sa amatin ni azok mak lo. Stay ni na na. Amatin chu angle BC is equal to EF. Ay giba pa le chun. Hi AAS congruency ni ti the chu triangle